Your Honor, this is the indictment. Accusation 14 CR. It's accusation 14 CR 71509 charging Anthony Braswell with false statement under OCGA 16-1020 for the said accused on or about the 15th day of July in the year 2008 in the state of Georgia, County of Bibb, did knowingly and willfully make a false statement to Detective Stephen Hutto in regards to an ongoing investigation by the police department. Matter within the jurisdiction of the Macon Police Department, a law enforcement agency of the state of Georgia. Defendant was untruthful as to his actions on the whereabouts of July 14, 2008, contrary to law said in the state, the good order, peace, and dignity thereof. He's also pleading guilty to the indictment, count 5, that Your Honor holds before you, that's 09 CR 64725.
All right. I understand that the state and the defendant reached a plea agreement, is that correct?
We have, Your Honor. That's correct, Your Honor.
All right. Okay. Are you Mr. Braswell?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Braswell, I'm showing you a plea agreement. Have you seen this before?
Yes, sir.
Have you gone over this in detail with your lawyers?
Yes, sir.
All right. This plea agreement has certain things in it. First of all, it has the acknowledgement of rights and charges. You understand all the charges that you have been charged with.
Yes, sir.
And you understand the maximum penalties should you have been convicted for those.
Yes, sir.
All right. You also understand you have certain legal rights, and these have been contained in this acknowledgement of rights section as well.
Yes, sir.
Specifically, you have a right to a jury trial, you have a right to a lawyer, you have the right to plead not guilty and remain silent. You understand that? If you were to go, if you're in a good plea, that you're going to waive these rights. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. There's also a section entitled Terms of the Plea. Did you go over this with your lawyer?
Yes, sir.
You have any questions for me about that?
No, sir.
Okay, you sure? There's also, you're sure about that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It also has certain stipulation of facts section that contains certain facts. Have you read that?
Yes, sir.
And you've gone over that with your lawyers?
Yes, sir.
All right, sir. There's a statement here that says acceptance by defendant. Is this your signature here?
Yes, sir.
Did you place that there?
Yes, sir.
All right. And by doing so, you accept this plea agreement,
Yes, sir.
including all the terms of it.
Yes, sir.
All right, sir. Mr. Hamilton, these your signatures here?
Yes, Your
You,
Honor.
Ms. Pittman?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Reagan, I see it was placed for the state to accept this.
That's correct, Your Honor.
You signed this?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Cook signed it as well.
That's correct.
All right, sir. Okay. Mr. Braswell, you've been charged under 2 charging documents here, 2 indictments. You've been informed of the facts that the state will present against you at trial as acknowledging this plea agreement. You've been informed of all your legal and constitutional rights. Again, these are contained in this plea agreement. My understanding from the plea agreement is that to indictment number 09CR 64725, you intend to plead guilty to count 5 because that's in your best interest to do so. And you intend to plead guilty to indictment 14CR 71509. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, sir. And are you entering these pleas freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody?
Sir, my business.
I understand. I'm starting on 09 indictment.
Yes, sir.
And are you doing this freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
Other than this plea agreement, has anybody offered you anything of value or threatened to harm you in any way in order to get you in a guilty plea today?
No, sir.
All right, Mr. Hamilton, you've represented Mr. Braswell in this case. Are you satisfied with this guilty plea?
I am, Your Honor.
All right, sir. Are you aware of any defective events that were prevented from taking this guilty plea?
I am not, Your Honor.
All right, sir. Then after having reviewed this plea agreement, incorporating it, the court finds there's a factual basis to believe the crime has been committed as alleged. The court will accept the guilty pleas and accept the plea agreement.
All right. Execute the picture of all documents been executed for Your Honor.
Now, Mr. Braswell, you're also, of course, required to form your habeas corpus rights. We do this in this form. Have you signed, did you sign that?
Yes, sir.
Did Mr. Hamilton has put and explain your habeas corpus rights to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions for me about those rights? Anything else? From the state? Mr. Braswell, this is a condition of probation form. Did you sign that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Did your lawyers explain what's at stake?
Yes, sir.
You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Any questions for me?
No, sir.
Okay. All right. Mr. Hamlin?
No question.
Anything else you want to tell me?
They're on which side of self-report.
Okay. Mr. Braswell, on indictment number 64725, that's to count number 5, you are sentenced to 12 served 7, no credit for time served since July 17, 2008. You're responsible for your monthly supervision fee while you're on probation. Your sentence on probation is option management act, secure option for 180 days. On indictment 71509, you're sentenced to 5 years in the penitentiary for credit for time served from July 17, 2008. This will be concurrent with case number 64725. You're also sentenced to probation option management act, secure options of 180 days. You'll also be responsible for your monthly supervision fees. And you'll be on that as well. All right, sir? Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
You may.